play with me.
Hi, thank you for watching my video.
Color paper.
Today I will guide you to create the cute chicken from the
Glue
colored paper.
bottle.
Take a look and follow me. You need to prepare some
Scissors.
color papers, glue, a scissors and a pencil.
Pencil.
Be careful with the scissors. Please get help from parents when cutting. Next, let's draw a circle on paper to create the chickens. Cut them off the paper. And draw a straight line of the edge of the paper to the center of the circle. Next, fold a quarter of the cut edge. Finally, we paste them onto the paper and add some color to them.
Red. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Black. Black.
Dark green. Dark green.
Thank you for watching your video. Keep track of your channel and do not forget to like and share them with your friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye.